4 with the sneakers that I have on. And then, oh, I have to sneeze. This is the pink.
Yeah, the pink is gorgeous. Okay, so we got the pink. Bless you. We got the pink, we have the black, and we have, oops, Kelly green. And she had on the white. So we got the Kelly green, the black, the pink, and the white in these cute little shirts that Logan had on with the little ruched sleeves. And they're super, super soft, guys. That was sold $123. We got small, medium, and large, Kelly green, hot pink, black, and white. Sold $123. I need some new eyes is what I need.
101. Didn't we already have a 101?
It doesn't,
No.
does them random. I don't know why.
No, we had 100 and 102. So this is sold 101
No,
and then your size.
Bless you.
Sold 101 and then your size.
Bless you.
Just don't mind Logan sneezing.
Oh my god. Because you know there's toilet paper right here.